Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to authenticate on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where you have the home, issues, pull requests, and those sort of things. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have your set status, your profile, your respiratories, etc., etc. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and authenticate on GitHub. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So, first of all, what you need to do is go and authenticate on GitHub. You have several options depending on how you access the platform. Here are the main methods. The first method is username and password. Simply enter your GitHub username and password. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, GitHub may ask you for additional verification where you sign in from a new device. Then you can two-factor authentication. After entering your username and password, you'll need to provide an authenticate code from an app like Google Authenticator or security key. We have personal access token. You can generate a personal access token to use in place of a password or for the command line or API access. This is especially useful for scripts and integrations. You can do a SSH key and a GitHub desktop. So if you're using GitHub desktop, you can authenticate by signing in through the browser when prompted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.